Hi, this is Drew, and I want to demonstrate the basic functionalities of Client Connect today. So we'll start by just composing a new message, and you do that from the Compose button, which is always on the bottom right-hand corner of the Client Connect dashboard. So I'm going to compose a new message to Tyler, and as I type his name, it becomes available on the context dropdown. Now the next box allows you to select what phone number do you want to send this message from. You can see that my Client Connect account has 3 different phone numbers which we have hosted, and we can text Tyler from any of these numbers, but I'm going to choose my main number. Hi Tyler, this is Drew. Can you send me a picture of your property damage? All right, so you'll see that that message went out to Tyler, and it's now in our Client Connect dashboard. Tyler replied back, sure thing, so it looks like he's on it. So if we just sit here for a second, we'll receive that photo from Tyler, and I'll show you how photos come into the dashboard. Boom, and there's that photo from Tyler. Before we look at the photo, I'd just like to point out that as Tyler began sending in those messages, we got this notification icon up here at the top left, which tells us how many conversations we've received new messages on that we may not have seen yet. So we'll go ahead and click the check box because we have now seen Tyler's message. If we click on the photo, it brings it up into our window and gives us the ability to download that photo onto our local computer and put that in Tyler's client folder as necessary. So going back to Tyler's message, I'm going to reply back and say, thank you so much, Tyler. And I'm going to go ahead and include a little emoji in this. All right, now which one should we do? I think I'm going to do the sunglasses. All right, so looks like we have a new message from an unknown contact. And again, we can see that notification up here on the top left. Hello, my name is Jordan Zatapatek, and I'd like to inquire about the job opening. Hi, Jordan. Thanks for your inquiry. And this is going to give me an opportunity to demonstrate a capability that is unique to Client Connect. So as you see, we have several options here on the dashboard. We can embed a photo just like any texting application. We can, of course, put emojis in, as I showed earlier. But this little paper clip gives us the ability to put any type of document in the text message. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to put the application.pdf in the text message. And I'm going to say, hey, Jordan, I have attached the application. Would you mind filling it out? And as you'll see, that text message went out as I composed it, as well as a link to the application itself. So now we have a new applicant for this job. So I'm going to hover over this contact icon. And as you see, it currently says unknown. But it's very easy from the dashboard to just add this as a contact. So if you'll recall, this contact's name is Jordan. I'm going to call him Jordan Z. So now there we have it. Jordan Z is added to our contacts. Now what I'm going to do is actually schedule an interview with Jordan and then schedule a text message. Let me show you how that works. Jordan, are you available to interview at 10 a.m. tomorrow? Let's see if Jordan's available, and he is. So first, I'm going to say, great, see you then. Let's do another emoji. Winky face. All right, so now what I want to do is actually schedule a reminder. Now, you really shouldn't have to remind a job applicant to show up on time, but you may want to do this if you're scheduling any sort of appointments with your customers, with your clients. This is really easy to do. You just go into the conversation and you type your reminder. Hi, Jordan, I just wanted to remind you that we have an appointment, let's say in 30 minutes, exclamation point. So rather than sending that, obviously I don't want to send that right now. I want to schedule that. So I click the calendar, and that will be tomorrow, and then I choose the time. So the appointment's at 10 o'clock, and I said in the text message in 30 minutes. So I want to set that for 9:30 a.m. Save. Boom. So what we've just done is we have saved a scheduled message which will go out at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow that will just remind Jordan that we have an appointment in 30 minutes. So we've kind of gone through a lot of the basic functionalities of Client Connect. There is a lot more to it, but that should give you a good grasp of how to get started. Thanks. Have a good day.